Hi, my name's Jenny Luscombe. I'm an alternative health practitioner. Over 10 years on a self-healing journey using alternative methods, I've managed to heal myself of complex PTSD, anxiety disorder and postnatal depression. The processes were so powerful that I used that I accidentally lost weight without even trying, I accidentally reversed my own aging process and healed a chronic back pain that my doctor told me that I would have forever. That was 10 years ago. I'm now 50. I have no pain in my body or health issues. I haven't seen a doctor for 10 years. The emotional healing I do heals my body. If you're interested in finding out how I did it, you can book therapy or inner work training sessions with me. You can get my amazing course for the cost of one session, enabling you to access free therapy forever. And you can subscribe to my newsletter for instant access to 2 free gifts that will help you understand why you are suffering. All the links are below.